Drowning in study stress? Let's fix that now. These 5 AI hacks will help you ace your exams in half the time. Smarter prep, no burnout. Jump in. Last semester, I crammed all night, failed hard, barely passed, total mess. AIProyzy's dropping 5 AI hacks to crush your studies. Make flashcards, organize notes, stay focused, all with AI. Here's how to ace exams like a pro. Hack 1. Quizlet AI, your flashcard genius. My notes were chaos, forgot everything, bombed quizzes. Quizlet's a lifesaver. Sign up for Quizlet. Free plan. Create a set like biology terms. AI generates flashcards like mitosis, cell division. I studied 50 terms in 30 minutes, aced a quiz. Try this. Add images. Upload cell diagram. Makes recall easy. No effort. Pro tip. Use AI study. Auto tests you like match terms. For pros, share sets. My study group nailed a test. Quizlet's your memory boost, always sharp. Start free. Master your material. Hack 2. Notion AI, your note-taking ninja. My notes were scattered. No structure. Lost hours. Notion's clutch. Open Notion. Free plan. Create a page like physics notes. AI organizes, like formulas table. I built a study hub in 20 minutes, saved days. Try this. Type, summarize. AI condenses notes, like Newton's laws in 3 points. Cuts review time, no fluff. Advanced move. Add AI tasks. Suggests, review chapter 2. For teams, share databases. My classmates synced. All scored 90%. Notion's your study hub, always clean. Test it free. Stay organized. Number 3. Forest. Your focus fortress. I'd scroll X, lose hours, no progress. Forest's game changer. Download Forest, free tier, set timer like 1H study. AI locks your phone, grows a tree. I studied 2 hours straight, no distractions. Try this. Pick deep focus. Blocks apps like Instagram. Keeps you locked in, no slips. Pro tip. Join team. AI syncs with friends like group study. For heavy days, set goals. I hit 10 in a week, crushed a test. Forest's your focus shield, always tight. Start now. Lock in hard. Hack 4. Anki, your memorization master. I'd forget formulas, blanked in exams, felt doomed. Anki's fire. Get Anki. Free app. Create a deck like math. AI spaces reviews like Solve X2 daily. I memorized 100 equations in a week, scored 95%. Try this. Add tags. Calculus. AI sorts cards. No mess. Advanced trick. Use AI add-ons. Autofills examples like Graph YMX. For pros, sync devices. I studied on phone, laptop, anywhere. Anki's your brain trainer. Always smart. Download free. Nail every fact. Last hack. Otter, your lecture transcriber. I'd miss key points, bad notes, failed reviews. Otter's magic. Sign up for Otter. Free plan. Record lecture. AI transcribes like Professor. Cell theory. I captured a 1H class in real time, studied in half. Try this. Highlight text. Tag exam. AI organizes. No manual work. Pro tip. Use AI summary. Condenses talks like Key Points 3. For teams, share transcripts. My group revised together, all passed. Otter's your note taker, always clear. Start free. Never miss a word. These 5, Quizlet AI, Notion AI, Forest, Anki, Otter, revolutionize your studies in 2025. Make flashcards, organize notes, stay focused, memorize fast, capture lectures. I went from failing to scoring 95% in a week, saved hours, felt unstoppable. You can too, starting free. Acing exams by next test. Quick recap. Quizlet makes flashcards, so you recall fast. Notion organizes notes, so you study smart. Forest locks focus, so you grind deep. Anki boosts memory, so you ace facts. Otter transcribes lectures, so you miss nothing. That's your exam-crushing stack, right? Done. 5 AI hacks to ace your exams. Grab them, study smart, run your grades. Which hack's your spark? Quizlet, Anki, or another? Comment below. I read everyone. Smash that like. It keeps us going. Subscribe for weekly hacks to crush it. Catch you next time. Go ace those exams.